Hello, I'm Algin. This is a quick video to show how to make run test logo in Photoshop. After creating an artbox in Photoshop, we can go to left toolbar. We can find shape tool here. I will use ellipse tool and then click and drag. We can make a ellipse shape. Make sure that to make a perfect circle, we can press shift and move the cursor. And then release the mouse button. We can add a perfect circle. Next, we can go to Properties window. We can go to Appearance. We can change the fill color. We can change it to green or blue. I will use green first to change it to green color. Or we can fill with no color. I fill with no color, and then we can go to stroke. We can change the stroke color. I change it to blue, and also we can change the stroke width. I will use about 200 and press enter. So I make a circle shape. Next, we can add text. We can go to left toolbar. We can find the horizontal type tool. Click and hold the horizontal type tool here, and then click on Artbox and start to type. I type how to make run test logo. After typing, we can go back to Move Tool, and then we can go to Properties window. If you don't find the Properties window, we can go to Window and Show Properties window here. Go back to Properties window, and then go down to Dynamic Text. We can find Circle. Click to change it to circle shape. And then we can select it and move in here and scale it, something like this. And make sure that we snap it, so we can go to View and activate snapping. I have already activated, so I skip it. So I select it and snap it to make sure that we put it in center. And I make a further adjustment, something like this. So we can press Alt and scale it, something like this, and press Enter to apply the scaling. In the dynamic text, we have option to put text above path, or in the middle of path, or below the path. In this tutorial, I will use above path. And then we can go to change the direction. I go back to original. So this is how we can make run test logo in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.